Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Pelsee Cam app is and how it is positioned. The Pelsee Cam app is a dashcam companion tool designed to connect with Pelsee driving recorders, allowing users to view, download, and manage recorded footage directly from their smartphone using a Wi-Fi connection, based on its official app information. It is positioned as a basic dashcam control and playback app focused on accessing driving recordings from a mobile device. The app allows users to connect to the dashcam via Wi-Fi to view recorded video files. It also supports downloading and saving important clips to the phone for later use or sharing. Users can manage stored driving footage through the app interface for review or evidence purposes. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee recording performance or connection stability, which can vary depending on device compatibility and Wi-Fi conditions. The app may include basic device settings depending on the dashcam model. It is mainly intended for users who want direct mobile access to Pelsee dashcam recordings without removing storage media. Some features depend on hardware compatibility and connection quality, which can affect usability. This could impact how quickly users can access or transfer recorded footage. For users who want a simple dashcam viewer and control tool, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on your device setup and usage needs. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.